Hey everyone, I'm Jason and welcome back to the Bambiz channel. Today, we're talking about a topic crucial for elder law and estate planning attorneys. Sales. Yes, sales. You might be thinking, isn't my legal expertise enough? Well, in today's competitive landscape, being a skilled lawyer isn't everything. You also need to effectively communicate the value you bring. Think of selling your services not as a sales pitch, but as connecting with potential clients. They're likely worried and unfamiliar with legal matters. Your job? To listen. Emphasize is show them you understand their needs. Here's the key. Be empathetic. Make them feel heard and understood. This builds trust, a vital foundation for any client relationship. Communicate clearly. No legal jargon. Explain things in plain English. They need clear, trustworthy advice, not fancy lawyer talk. Many attorneys struggle with selling because they worry about overselling or feel unsure of their sales skills. Here's how to tackle those hurdles. Set realistic expectations. Don't promise mirror. Be upfront and honest about what you can achieve. Simplify the legal stuff. Break down the complex terms into easy to understand language. Here's a quick self-assessment to see where you can improve. Do you connect with clients on an emotional level? Do your questions spark positive responses? Are you a good listener who asks follow-up questions? Can you highlight your strengths without bragging? Can you identify clients who need your expertise? Honest answers will show you where to focus your efforts. Now, let's look at some practical tips. Practice active listening. Really listen to your clients' concerns. Don't just hear the words, understand the emotions behind them. Tailor your communication. Every client is unique. Adapt your approach to address their specific needs and anxiety. Never stop learning. Stay updated on sales best practices in the legal field. Be open to feedback and adapt your methods. Mastering sales isn't about manipulation. It's about effectively communicating your value. It helps you stand out, grow your practice, and ultimately serve your clients better. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Find a sales style that works for you and keep refining it. By harnessing your sales potential, you'll ensure your practice thrives. Want to learn more about growing your elder law or estate planning practice? Schedule a free 15-minute call with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have questions, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.